Hi friends, so this video shows how to install screen recorder, green recorder in Ubuntu. So first we need to update apt repo. For that we can run this command sudo apt update. So after that we need to add the repo of green recorder. So this is a location URL which actually add this repo. Just execute this command. I will add this commands in the description. You can copy from there, then enter. Okay, then you can run apt update command one more time. Actually it's not required, I think, because it's already updated here. Anyway, just try one more time. Then we can install green recorder by running this command apt install green-recorder. Type Y and press enter. You can see installation has started. Okay, installation completed. Let me go to the activities. There search for green recorder. So this is the UI of green recorder. Here you can select the video for output format. MP4 also there, or MKV. Then select window or select area. Here you can see, you can specify record video and record audio both. Frame rate. Then the video input source, you can select it here. So recording you can start by clicking on this button, record. You can see recording has started. You can stop it. Recording has stopped. Then you play it. Okay, so this way we can install green recorder in Ubuntu. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.